The other day I installed this TV mount. It's for a large TV. I installed an 82-inch TV. It's a really heavy TV, but you can see here the mount is doing really well. So let me show you how I set this up. So with the TV mount, it comes with a template and some basic instructions. The mount comes with all the hardware you need to get started. You do have to assemble a few things, but it's nice that it comes for the hardware for different sizes. It even comes with its own level just to make things a little bit easier. And then the guide has this nice picture, and that's really all you need to set things up. So I use a stud finder. I have steel studs, and I use this to find the center of the steel stud. And I got a drill bit, specifically a 1/2-inch drill bit, to go through the steel stud. Now with steel, you need to just kind of be patient. It takes a bit more drilling, but eventually I was able to get the 4 holes. Then I used these snap toggle drywall anchors so I could anchor the TV mount. I just used these wire cutters to cut off the plastic. I think you can just break them off, but I found that to be easy for me. I finished assembling the mount. I got it mounted on the wall, and you can see this is a cool mount. That orange knob allows you to change the angle of the TV, so you can adjust it so it's pointing slightly down, and that's what I went ahead and did. You can see the angle of the TV is pointed slightly down, but the TV is hanging up really well. Again, really heavy TV. There are some sets when I was looking on Amazon that had the snap toggle and the 1/2-inch drill bit combined into one, but I found that it was easier for me just to get a big pack of snap toggles and a drill bit set, about the same price actually. And I messed up on a couple of the snap toggles, so I'm glad I had the extra snap toggles. So you may want to consider doing the same, but it was a fairly easy process and the mount is great.